Considered to be one of the most ancient and versatile medicinal herbs known to mankind, dried chamomile flowers have numerous widespread health implications thanks to their high level of disease-fighting antioxidants like terpenoids and flavonoids. Chamomile's vital antioxidants are found in the plant's potent oils and are the main contributors to its natural healing properties. As an effective alternative medicine with almost no known negative side effects, chamomile has been used for nearly 5,000 years in standardized tea, herbal extracts, and cosmetic forms to promote tranquility, vitality, a youthful appearance, and longevity. There's two common types of chamomile used medicinally: German chamomile and Roman chamomile. The chamomile plant is native to Western Europe and Northern Africa, but these days it's grown all around the world in different temperate regions. Records show that chamomile benefits have been recognized for centuries, with the herb being used both medicinally and cosmetically. Germans have used chamomile to resolve digestive issues since at least the 1st century, and records show that the Egyptians worshipped the plant and they dedicated festivals to its healing properties. Egyptian noblewomen were known to crush the chamomile flowers and apply them to their skin to preserve their youthful glow and naturally slow the signs of aging. Romans used chamomile as a medicinal herb to fight disease and to promote longevity. Its healing qualities spread throughout Europe, and eventually the British brought the chamomile to North America. Doctors throughout Europe and in the early settlements of America included chamomile in their medicinal bag because it was able to reduce pain, inflammation, allergies, and digestive issues. People also used it as a natural deodorant, a shampoo, and a perfume. Today, chamomile tea and herbal extracts are sold worldwide for human consumption. 1 cup of chamomile tea has 2 calories, 2 milligrams of sodium, and no cholesterol. Chamomile is commonly used for improving many different health conditions, including anxiety and depression, seasonal allergies, inflammatory conditions, muscle spasms, PMS symptoms and other menstruation disorders, insomnia, skin disorders, ulcers, wounds, gastrointestinal disorders, arthritis symptoms and rheumatic pain, and hemorrhoids. Chamomile benefits our health by soothing the body, relieving mild pain, fighting skin irritation, and helping to ease anxiety. Research also shows that drinking chamomile tea can help to improve sleep quality and fatigue, and even alleviate depression. The list of ways that chamomile extract can be used is surprisingly long. Drinking chamomile tea is the most popular way to use this powerful herb. You could also diffuse chamomile essential oil at home. Use the oil to soothe skin conditions. Chamomile extracts are also available and used to relieve digestive issues and to promote liver detoxification. The main antioxidant components extracted from chamomile flowers are terpenoid group of antioxidants, including chamazolene and acetylene derivatives. Because these delicate compounds are unstable, they're thought to be best preserved in alcoholic tincture or an essential oil. Other major constituents in the flower include several phenolic compounds, primarily the flavonoids, including apigenin, quercetin, patuletin, as well as various glycosides. These compounds help to reduce inflammation by fighting free radical damage and preventing cell mutation. Chamomile benefits start with the antioxidants that are associated with better immune function, lower rates of mood disorders, reduced pain and swelling, and healthier skin, hair, nails, teeth, and eyes. Chamomile, whether in tea, tincture, or essential oil, is one of the best medicinal herbs for fighting stress and promoting relaxation, according to research from Alternative Therapies in Health and Medicine and Pharmacognosy Review. Inhaling chamomile vapors using chamomile oil is often recommended as a natural remedy for depression and general anxiety, which is one reason why chamomile oil is a popular ingredient in many candles, aromatherapy products, and bath soaking treatments. In extract form, chamomile is frequently used as a mild sedative to calm the nerves and to reduce anxiety, because its vapors travel directly to the olfactory part of the brain, turning off tension and reducing the body's stress response. This is why practitioners use chamomile to effectively relieve the symptoms of chronic anxiety and stress, including hysteria, nightmares, insomnia, and various digestive problems. Smells are carried directly to the brain, and they serve as an emotional trigger. The limbic system evaluates the sensory stimuli, registering pleasure, pain, danger, or safety. Then it directs our emotional response, such as feelings of fear, anger, or attraction. Our basic emotion and hormonal balance is a response to the most basic smell. Scents are a direct pathway to memory and emotion. Fragrances like chamomile relieve pain, and they generally affect personality and behavior. Research proves that using oil fragrances is one of the fastest ways to achieve psychological results. Believed to be a powerful digestive relaxant, chamomile can be used to treat various gastrointestinal disturbances, including gas, acid reflux, indigestion, diarrhea, anorexia, motion sickness, nausea, and vomiting. Chamomile extracts can help to shorten the course of diarrhea and colic in children, as well as relieve symptoms that are associated with conditions like pain and anxiety. Chamomile also contains anodyne compounds, and these are antispasmodic, reducing cramping, constipation, and other stomach pains. Many of the benefits are due to chamomile's natural relaxing effect, because the brain and the gut communicate directly back and forth via the vagus nerve. A more relaxed mind can also help to heal a leaky gut, which can mean reduced symptoms of chronic conditions like leaky gut, IBS, and other gut-related issues. Chamomile benefits include mellowing effects, and it also makes it a good choice for pregnant women in order to relax the digestive tract to act as a natural remedy for nausea. Chamomile is sometimes called a herbal aspirin, since it's been a popular home remedy for lowering pain for centuries. Chamomile flowers are used alone or in combination with other anti-inflammatory foods to reduce pain, congestion, swelling, and redness. They are effective at reducing facial swelling, skin irritations, toothache, pain from infections, and underlying issues of inflammation. This is a reason that chamomile extract is commonly added to beauty products for the face or for body lotions, toothpaste, and bath soaps. A 2018 crossover study published in Neurological Sciences found that a chamomile gel was able to reduce migraine pain. Chamomile can also naturally lower pain that's associated with arthritis, injuries, back pain, fever, and pregnancy. In fact, its pain-reducing quality is often used to soothe the body and the mind after giving birth. For example, in some parts of the world, like Mexico, chamomile tea is given to women after labour to relax their abdomen muscles and help them to rest. Recently, several studies dug into the anti-cancer activity of chamomile. Evidence shows positive effects of chamomile stopping cancerous tumour growth and acting as a natural cancer treatment. Inhibition of cancerous cells is believed to be due to chamomile's antioxidant called apigenin, which is a bioactive constituent, and it appears to help to fight skin, prostate, breast, and ovarian cancer. In a recent study published in the Journal of Federation of American Societies for Experimental Biology, chamomile extracts were shown to cause minimal growth inhibitory effects on normal healthy cells, but they showed significant reductions in human cancer cells, especially androgen refractory cells that often lead to prostate cancer. Because chamomile benefits include both fighting infections and reducing mucus congestion, it's added to many nasal sprays. Chamomile tea is also a good choice when you're sick and you want to beat a cold or the flu or sinus infection. Studies indicate that inhaling the steam with chamomile extract is helpful in common cold symptoms. Some people even gargle chamomile tea or an extract to fight inflammation of the mucous membranes. Chamomile promotes smooth, healthy skin, and it relieves irritations thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. The flavonoids and the essential oils penetrate below the skin surface into the deeper skin layers, preserving its youthful appearance, the complexion, and immune defences. As a traditional medicine, it's been used for centuries to treat wounds, ulcers, eczema, gout, skin irritations, bruises, burns, and canker sores. Today, we know that chamomile benefits and uses go even further. It's also useful for getting rid of signs of aging, like dark spots and fine lines, reducing dandruff naturally, treating chicken pox quickly, and fading scars. Additionally, it makes a great natural diaper rash treatment, and it can even be used around the eyes to fight infections and styes. In addition to healing the skin and the respiratory tract, chamomile's benefits include the ability to fight various bacterial infections of the oral cavity, the teeth and the gums. Chamomile's benefits help to reduce pain that's associated with canker sores, wounds and toothache, plus it fights harmful bacteria that can live within the mouth. A pilot study published in the Journal of Oral Science found that a mouthwash containing 1% chamomile extract effectively reduced biofilm accumulation and bleeding in patients with gingivitis. This was likely due to the herb's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory activities. Recently, chamomile has been associated with providing cardiovascular protection. Because of its high level of flavonoids, chamomile consumed in foods is linked with a lower risk of death from coronary heart disease in elderly men. One study published in The Lancet assessed the flavonoid intake of 805 men aged 65 to 84 years and found that higher flavonoid intake from foods and herbs was significantly inversely associated with mortality from coronary heart disease. You can diffuse chamomile and lavender essential oils around the home to reduce feelings of stress tension. This can also help you to fall asleep easily. Heal blistered skin by mixing 2 drops of tea tree oil and chamomile, and then applying to the blistered area up to 5 times per day. Combine lavender or chamomile oil with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and apply to the skin with a cotton ball to reduce swelling and pain. Mix half a cup of baking soda, half a cup of vinegar, and 5 drops of chamomile and bergamot oil. Rub into your muscles and soak in the tub for at least 15 minutes to calm your mind and help to soothe the muscle aches. Apply 2 drops of chamomile, lavender, and peppermint essential oil to your temples for a cooling effect, for immediate relaxation and helping to stay asleep. To boost mood and relieve depression, add chamomile oil and rose essential oil to your bath, or inhale the mix and diffuse it thoroughly through your home to improve your mood. You can help soothe and calm children by adding lavender and chamomile oil to their stuffed animals or blankets. Mix 2 drops of chamomile, sage, basil and rosemary oil and then apply to a warm, moist hand towel and then apply to the abdomen. Inhale chamomile, peppermint, lavender and ginger oil to reduce motion sickness. Mix chamomile oil with eucalyptus, wintergreen and cypress oil, as well as an unscented lotion or coconut oil, and then rub it into sore and aching muscles. Chamomile is recognized as likely safe when it's taken in amounts found in food, and possibly safe when taken by mouth or applied to the skin for short periods of time. If you're going to use chamomile essential oil, remember that it's meant to be used topically on the skin, but not ingested. Do a patch test first on a small part of your skin to make sure that you don't have an allergic reaction to the oil before applying it to a larger area. Chamomile oil shouldn't be used by anyone with existing seasonal allergy symptoms, such as allergies to ragweed or its relatives, since this can bring on an allergic reaction. If you suffer from hay fever, frequent hives or dermatitis, it's also a good idea to stay away from chamomile products, or at least talk to a doctor before using them. People with a hormone-sensitive condition, such as endometriosis, fibroids or cancer of the breast, uterus and ovaries, should avoid using chamomile because it may act like estrogen in the body. Other things to note is that chamomile is thought to be a mild uterine stimulant, so if you're pregnant, you should speak to a professional before ingesting chamomile extracts. For more information about herbs, supplements, and natural treatments, check out my website.